What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Copilot something went wrong error. Firstly, open your browser, then click on the menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. You can use Google Chrome. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Third-Party Cookies and select See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for Bing and click Delete icon next to it. Clear all cookies and cache data from your browser and try again. If not, let's move on to the second fix. Just open the Copilot page, then press F12 to open Developer Tools. Go to Application tab and expand Local Storage. Right-click on each item, then click Clear. Do the same for Session Storage. Reload the Copilot page and sign back in if needed. Try again and the error should be gone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.